Welcome to the Men&Mice Suite Workflow module, exclusive to the Men&Mice Suite web application from version 9.2 of the Men&Mice Suite onwards. The Workflow module is currently focused on DNS changes. By using the Workflow module, you gain stricter control over changes made in your DNS infrastructure by permitting certain users to only request DNS changes, while other users, with the appropriate authority, are able to approve or reject those DNS changes. To demonstrate some of the functionality of the Workflow module, log in to Men&Mice as a user that does not have the authority to make direct changes, but can simply request DNS changes in a zone. The user opens the specific zone and makes the changes, for instance, choosing to delete an existing record. The user's change is not immediately applied, but rather put into a change request. The user wants to create a new record as well, and adds that to the change request. By clicking on the pending request icon on the top right of the menu, the user can see and submit change requests. While reviewing change requests the user has made, the user can also remove any changes from the request queue, or click on the Next button to proceed. Before submitting the change request, the user can also choose whether the changes should be applied as soon as they are approved, or whether to schedule them to be applied at a given time. In this case, the user chooses to have the change applied at 10 p.m. on a Saturday night, provides a save comment for clarification, and submits the change request. The user can view the request and see that it is pending approval, but cannot approve any changes. Now, we log in as a user that has the administrative authority to approve changes in the same zone. A notification in the top menu indicates that there are pending requests awaiting approval. Click on Workflow in the top menu to see all pending requests. The administrator or authoritative user can open the request to view details on the changes and then decide whether to approve or reject the changes. After approving the requests in this instance, the change is now scheduled to be applied at 10 p.m. on the Saturday night as requested. This concludes the Workflow module walkthrough. If you'd like to know more or would like to try the Workflow module, please reach out to the Men&Mice team on our website, menandmice.com, or by emailing sales@menandmice.com.